Obesity in the southern U.S.
Across America, the obesity rates have risen exponentially. According to a section in Health in Place, published in 2009, 26.6% of the population are obese. This epidemic is alarming to clinical professionals and researchers who are looking to find causes to the spike in obesity rates, as well as solutions to bring down our numbers as a society. As a future nurse practitioner who hopes to work in the South, it will become my duty to join in on this fight by educating my patients and administering plans to make them healthier individuals. With this task ahead of me, I must find information that will help me better understand what aspects correlate with elevated obesity rates in the South. In search of the answer, I must first ask, what states of the South have the highest rates of obesity for both adults and children? As stated by the Journal of Community Health in 2008, obesity rates for both adults and children are the highest in southern states. But before getting into the numbers, what does obesity mean and how is it measured? According to the Center for Disease Control, body mass index, also known as BMI, is the determining factor. To calculate your BMI, you divide your weight in kilograms by your height in meters squared. The Journal of Community Health reveals that an adult is categorized as obese if their BMI is over 30. For children, their BMI must be at or above the 95th percentile of kids their same age and sex. From this same source, as of 2008, a mean of just over 18.3% of kids from West Virginia, Kentucky, Texas, and North Carolina were over twice as likely to be obese when compared to kids from Utah. For adults, the State of Obesity Project provides data from 2016 revealing that 4 southern states, Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama, have the highest adult obesity rates at over 35%. With these statistics at my attention, I'm interested to see if there is any correlation between food or food preparation in the South and these higher rates of obesity. Health in Place reveals that, in the South, the nearest chain fast food restaurant, like McDonald's or KFC, was closer to the homes than the nearest supermarkets by about 0.4 miles. Because I attend school at Appalachian State University in Boone, North Carolina, a place considered to be in the southern U.S., I looked for my own data along Highway 321. The fast food restaurants and grocery stores along this stretch of road is a source of the majority of off-campus college students' meals. I counted the number of fast food restaurants versus the number of supermarkets down a roughly 2-mile stretch of this road, starting at the point closest to Appalachian's campus. I found that the ratio of fast food joints to supermarkets is roughly 8-to-1. There are 3 grocery stores along this stretch and 23 fast food restaurants and eateries. So, if closer supermarkets mean that obesity rates can drop, this could suggest that at-home food preparation is a necessity to lowering obesity rates. The main problem with at-home food preparation is the cost. For families of lower socioeconomic status, preparing a healthy meal for a family of 4 is much more expensive than going to Wendy's and buying something for everyone that is guaranteed to fill. With so many problems such as climate change affecting crop growth, resulting in rising prices of produce, solving this obesity epidemic could take a while. According to an article written in the 2013 issue of Nutrition Journal, we as a community should focus on providing resources that educate on how to prepare healthy meals in a short time frame. It can be overwhelming to try and solve such a large issue at hand, but to become healthier in the South, we need to start by teaching our children and their parents how to break through the norms of eating fast and fatty and teach health for a better future.